Hey guys, my name is Priyanka and you're watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MBA Finance and Banking MMPC 005 question. So this question number second. Before starting this, if you need any help regarding if you need an consultancy services, so you can call us. If you need answer of this question, so you can call us or WhatsApp number which is given on the screen. You can write down this number, which is 900-936-8238. You can message, call, anything you can anytime. So the question number second is saying the data used in a statistical study is termed as either primary or secondary, depending upon whether it was collected specifically for the study in question or some other purpose. Explain both the sources of collecting the data in brief. So this is the question basically from the primary and secondary data. If you need answer, if you want to know the answer this question, so you can call us, you can message us on our WhatsApp number, so we will provide all the answers in your provide. This is a paid service, and thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon in the next video.